This is weekly chart of silver from 2008 to 2022. You can see silver is trading at $22 price. If you do this type of investing, then you can never beat poverty. But trader made all the money. Since it is a naked chart, so there is a no clear answer where to buy, where to sell, and what will be next price action. When you draw support and resistance and fib retracement on this same chart, everything become clear. Price has break out this support zone and it is making a sideways range above this support zone. It is simply breakout and retest of support zone. A price break this range upside 35 37, and if you draw fib retracement from all-time high to this coronavirus bottom, then our 50% retracement is 30 and 61 retracement at 35. So all of these bulls who are taking entry on this support zone have their target at 61% retracement at 35, which is our horizontal resistance zone and which has been tested 3 times in past. So this is bullish breakout target for all the investors who are building their position in this sideways silver range. Since price is trading near the bottom and central bank all over the world are still printing money, so why silver did not made all-time high like last time, like gold? Because answer is simple. Somebody is manipulating silver price, and if you want to protect your money from inflation, then silver can be a best choice, because here we have limited downside risks compared to any other asset like stocks and gold. Because this electric vehicle revolution will send silver price up to $100 one day, and they are doing this scam, but they cannot do it forever. So either price continue its sideways range till the end of the year, or it break upside. So these are our resistance for upside breakout. If this 21 horizontal support breaks, then next target will be $18, but I do not expect it going back to $11. So either it can make bottom at 21 or it can retest $18. So this support zone from 21 to 18 is good support zone for buying silver. As a trader and as an investor or a ordinary person who want to protect his money and saving from inflation, because upside target is $35. If we take a closer look on this sideways range on weekly time frame, then this is our complete trend, bottom $11 to top 29, and this sideways correction has made this triangle correction chart pattern A, B, C, D, E, and right now price is trading in its final wave E. So it can test this lower trend line before starting a bullish breakout, or if it is a flat correction, then it can retest 50% retracement at $20 and our 61% retracement at $18. So below this yellow trend line, our support zone start and everyone will start buying silver. So this can be bottom near $20 for this sideways correction, and upside target is $35. And if we compare H4 time frame and weekly time frame side by side, and if we only focus on this last wave, then we have this AVC zigzag correction, and you can see on H4 time frame price is meeting double bottom at 38 projection at $22 price with hammer candlesticks. If this level breaks, then next target will be 61% projection at $21, which is our strong horizontal support on weekly time frame. For intraday trader on H4 time frame, this red area is your support zone, and a new high above $23 price will confirm bottom. On this H4 and weekly time frame side by side, you can see this last bearish move is testing weekly horizontal support zone. It can make bottom or retest lower support, but this entire area is support zone, and we are getting temporary confirmation via this candlesticks making hammer on the support zone, and break of this high will confirm a bullish trend. First it will test $30 and upside target is 35, but there is a no weak fundamental for silver. This is complete price manipulation, and one day it will break this range.